Want to change Instagram picture after posting? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change Instagram picture after you have posted it. Now, it's quite easy and quite simple, so let me get you through it. Open up the app and you'll get an interface like this. Now, by tapping on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen, you can upload post. Now, if you head over to your profile, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen here, and you'll see profile, and under profile here, under the profile grid, you can see all your uploaded posts, reels, or photos. Now, suppose this is the picture that you just uploaded and you want to change it. Instagram doesn't have any feature where you can change the already uploaded picture. Now, the only option what we have is delete the entire thing and re-upload it again. Now what you want to do is tap on the three dots option that you can see just above your post or photo, and then at the end of your options you'll get the option delete. Now what you want to do is tap on delete and then delete the post, and now you can add another picture instead of that one by tapping on your plus icon on the bottom of the screen, and here in the post choose a picture and then tap on done here, and then you can choose filters, you can edit it and then post it here, right here. So this is the only way you can replace a photo that has already been uploaded on Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.